Hi, my name is Dan Stye. I'm the author of a book called Healthy Living Spaces, the Top 10 Hazards Affecting Your Health. I'm a certified indoor environmental consultant by the American Indoor Air Quality Association and a ball biologist. Does this sound familiar? No matter what you do, you just don't seem to feel good. You have allergies, asthma, you're sick all the time, you go to the doctor doesn't know what's wrong with you, he sends you home with a prescription for an allergy medication. And why? Why is it that you're sick? Well, today we're going to talk about what you can do to find out what's making you sick in your home. The EPA says that 90% of us, we spend 90% of our time indoors, and that the indoor environment is actually a significant health hazard. So today we're going to talk about the biology, the building biology, environmental inspection. It's what biologists do when they go into people's homes to either figure out what's making them sick or just how they can be healthier. So first thing we do when we go into somebody's house is we look for mold, because the EPA says that mold, 50% of the time, 50% of homes have conditions that support mold growth. And we'll do that by visual inspection. We'll go under the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink. These are the first places if you walk into your house, or if you're in your own home right now. Go under the kitchen sink, pull out all the stuff from under the cabinet, and look way back on the wall for water dripping, splashing and dripping down behind the cabinet. Same thing in the bathroom, around hot water heaters, behind the washing machine, because this is where you have moisture problems. Because we don't have mold problems, we have moisture problems. You've got to have water for mold to grow. Now, if you find mold, do not think you can just kill it with bleach. If you hear nothing else, listen to this. Bleach does not kill mold. Neither do these other chemicals and sanitizers, disinfectants, air purifiers, ultraviolet light.